Today I will talk about Sri Lanka fashion brand Cheaplock. I will discuss its background, founder, revenue and market performance, and how the brand creates customer value. Brand overview. Cheaplock is fast-growing Sri Lanka fashion retailer. It sells modern clothing such as dresses, jeans, shirt and casual wear. The brand focuses on trendy fashion with affordable price for modern customers. Founder and origin story. Ranil Villadharage worked in fashion design and product development before starting Cheaplock. His goal was to create a high-quality Sri Lanka fashion brand that could compete internationally. Product and target market. Cheaplock mainly target young adults who follow fashion trends. These customers want style at affordable prices. Revenue and market growth. Although exact reduced figures are not publicly available, Cheaplock has grown quickly. The company has opened small branches or large showrooms. Sustainability and innovation. Cheaplock focuses on sustainable fashion. One of their initiatives is creating clothes from recycled PET plastic bottles, which help reduce pollution and promotes eco-friendly fashion. Business challenge. Like many fashion brands, Cheaplock faces challenges such as strong competition and rapidly changing fashion trends. To remain successful, the company must continuously innovate and mainly customer trust. Conclusion. Cheaplock demonstrates how a Sri Lanka brand can grow in the competitive fashion industry by focusing on creating sustainability and customer value. Cheaplock show how a local brand can grow by combining fashion trends, innovation and environment responsibility. Thank you.